All right, 20 seconds till the market open. I'm just sitting down, coming off of Friday, which was a big L for me. Some people are probably asking how I'm feeling. I'm feeling fine. Um, you get caught in a halt down, but nothing else has really changed. One bad trade, I will say, has ruined the month, statistically speaking, but that's okay. And we don't have anything moving this morning. DOMH, NWTG. Now if I start to have like multiple days like Friday in a row, then we're starting to have a problem mentally that we need to adjust. But other than that, I feel like I've been trading well. So, all right, this is not pretty for us as momentum traders. There's absolutely nothing moving. Absolutely nothing moving. 70. ICCT. Why is that one not popping up on my scanners? Oh, because it's a penny stock. Okay, we might have to trade a penny stock today. We just might have to. I don't like penny stocks, but it's up 140 something percent. It's really the only thing kind of moving right now. So VWAP's at about 70 cents, and that topped out at about 77 cents. So that 7-cent range can definitely be something to play with. If it breaks that 77 range, what are we looking at? Are we on front side? We are on front side. DOMH getting smacked. Ooh, ICCT, I'm seeing you. I'm seeing you. Just want to see what the level 2 is looking like over there. Not trying to trade it, just want to see what it's looking like. Red candles to open the day for ICCT. Oh, yuck. All right. Let's try to take it back above 70 if it gets above 70. Oh, man. Tough. Tough, tough, tough. All right. Again, want to see if it gets above 70. That gives me... Go 1 cent. Or a $10 range. $20 if I double punch it. Small green there. Small buyer at 67. Small buyer still at 67. Tape not moving. There's 68. Looks like a little hidden seller there at 67. Sellers at 65. Oh man, DOMH is getting just absolutely annihilated. This thing's gonna halt down probably. All right, ICCT, you might not be done quite yet. You need a rally back though. You need a rally back, and see, the problem with this is why I say I like it in one candle is because if it doesn't, then I don't want to see it do one of these, and you have to stick around for like 10, 15 minutes, and then it goes. It's like, I like that resolution to be done. All right, NWTG. Might be able to work with this. What happened with this candle here, though? What happened there? 174 to 191. This is the... with big red volume. Big red chew. What are these dailies looking like? What are we even working with? Oh, NWTG's daily candles look gross. ICCT, you're going to be running up on the 30-day moving average at about 86 cents. Let's just give this a go. No bounce, no love right now. There's a decent little bounce. Take half risk off. Got to get to that 200-day moving average. Got to cook through 78. This is so slow though. Like the fact that I'm trading this is like probably not a great idea. Let's get that out of that 80 right there. All right. $40 L, or I immediately said $40 L after Friday. $40 small win. Take it. I'll take it. Let me see what am I even took this because it was being, respected here, somewhat here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lower band bounce, as well as a daily support level right here. Small seller there at 184. So took that. And just looking for a small dub. And collected on that small dub. Now we have some more buying power left. All right, that puts us down. That puts us down only 39 bucks on the month. So that's not terrible. It's not terrible. We can actually take another one of these trades if I so choose. Let's NWTG. Let's see. Let's see what you got in you. We're looking for the dollar bills. That's what we're looking for, though. The dollar bills. %14% since that lower band. That was $200 trade if I would have held. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Ooh, small buyer, 191. Let's see. 1, 2. Come on down and try it again. Come on down and try it again. ICCT rejected off of VWAP. It looks like NWTG might come and test VWAP too. Yes, it may. Yes, it may. All right, so that's going to give me an easy 10 cents. We're under VWAP here, which is not sexy, but nothing else is really moving. 68. This is going to come test it. I want this to test it. I want this to reject, and I really want it to flush. I really want it to flush because I could use another lower band. Halt down's at 150. Lower band's at 171. Maybe this is the market that I need to hold these lower bands for a little longer because that's a 16% move. That's 174 to 2. I mean, it's almost a $300 trade in a small account. I mean, that's That's tough to come by in a small account. Maybe I need to adjust that for these market conditions. All right. Come on down, NWTG. Come on down. Small buyers on ICCT. What's going to happen if this breaks VWAP? What's next? 218 is there. There we go. Close enough rejection. Now get the nasty flush. Sellers stepping in. Ooh, buyer ate that seller up though. Interesting. Well, not 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds. Not as exaggerated of a flush as I wanted it to be. But maybe that's good. EMA's got to catch up though. EMA's got to catch up. Even if this thing does break through. Small seller at 202. That's an interesting place for a seller. 202, right past the whole dollar. Yeah, but VWAP's at 206, so don't want to pay too much attention to that. All right, is ICCT going to get the curl or what? NWTG, that 202 seller got eaten through. Now maybe we play, do we play EMA? If it breaks through, I'll play EMA for the dip. Not going to play a breakout trade here. Although 205 to 218 ain't too shabby. 7%. Pressure. What's going to happen here? Seller at 207 got eaten. Not going to play this VWAP breakout. The EMA just doesn't support it. ICCT, we got some sellers trying to keep this thing under VWAP. Look at this, right here, right here. It just happened again. So if this thing gets above, that could cruise too. The sellers finally, let's see if the sellers give up. Problem is I don't want this to flush underneath the EMA. I don't want to take that risk. Okay, ICCT looks like you're trying for the curl. Small, two sets of buyers at 67 cents. All right, well, NWTG did the fake breakout I was expecting, but I expected it to at least come test EMA, which it didn't. So what is that? Is that going to be considered bullish? I guess it would be considered bullish. But it hasn't tested that EMA yet. And the EMA is still below VWAP. We wait. We wait. What is EMA at? 197. So that's under 2, obviously. So if we take then 197, is 2 going to be tough to break through again? ICCT. Taking 71. Uh-oh. Don't catch me on the... Oh, you absolute savage. Savagery. All right. Got out before that nasty red, but did get caught on that fake breakout for, well, you know, I got caught for 2 cents, but still. Still. That's... I would be lying if I said that's not frustrating. All right, there's EMA, but I think I'm out of buying power. Hurry, quick. Yeah, pretty much. See if it recaptures here. Yeah, it's looking like it might roll over. NWTG. Maybe not. Let's take that just to see if 2 holds. If 2 doesn't hold, we'll jump ship quickly. Let's just kind of see what happens here, because that was the play I wanted to play. Was that EMA got to get over 210. 210 and this thing might cook. 210 and it might cook. Let's take some risk off. Oh, try to take risk off. Bids dropped. There we go. Speeding up. There we go. Cook. Cook, boy. Cook. Break 210. Break 210. Giving this way more time than I'd like. No break at 210. Jumping. All right. So ended up being a small green day. How many trades did I take? 1, 2, 3. It seems like a lot, doesn't it? All right. I just want to see if this thing's still going to cook up to 218. There's the break. Is it going to go? Nah, ping-ponging around that area right now. Sellers 114. Sellers getting bought. There we go. There we go. Nice test of 218. Nice test of 218. Pretty. 218 breaks. We're looking at like 224 after that. And then we got a daily issue at 232. But I'm up, $8-9. Scratch green day. Let's see. I am thankful to be green. Considering the day we had Friday. But here's what we're looking like on the month. So down about $70 on the month. Started the month off brutal, but I kept all the red small. Then I had some decent green days here, Kept all the red small until this one trade ruined the entire month. But that is okay. So that's what happens. That's the unfortunate reality when we trade the penny stock, or not the penny stocks, and we trade the low float, high volatility stocks. Sometimes you're just gonna get caught in a nasty L. Having said that, I feel like I battled back pretty well from after having such a rough start to the month. But we'll lock in the green day and we'll start the next month off fresh. I'm out of here. Spread love, be good to each other. See y'all Monday. All right, see y'all on Tuesday. Peace.